we're doing it again because you guys stinking love it when we do this. We're doing a car show with Jim and his beautiful Chevelle. Yo, Jim, how's it feel to be famous? 20,000 views, man.
Wonderful.
Oh yeah. Dude, that thing's sick.
Thank you.
The second Mr. Chrome Cobra I've ever seen, and this one has stinking Lambo doors. Oh my gosh. I want to be mad, but I love these things. A moment to appreciate how incredibly sick this Pontiac is, especially with these wheels on it. This patina is, oh, it's gorgeous, man. I would totally own a car like this, dude. I love it. It's so sick. No way. What? Oh my gosh, dude. Look at this crazy contraption. Literally the only thing missing is Lambo doors. And look at the door here. That's actually really cool. Also, C8R, as we saw before. So sick. You guys already saw a horsepower recess. We don't need to go over it again. His car is sick. I love this guy. Go subscribe to him right now. Do it now. Do it.
Oh, that took a big jump, didn't it?
I know. Yeah. People really started noticing it. Yeah. Have you ever had somebody come up to you and you're like, "Hey, are you the guy from the Chevelle video?"
Oh yeah.
You have?
Oh yeah. And
Wait,
I tell
really?
people to look for it on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
So look under Paper Tiger.
We've been joined by this idiot. Dude, let's go. I've never seen a Mark IV Supra before. Let's go. Oh, somebody's doing donuts.
No, that was a burnout from an Escalade.
That was an Escalade? Really?
Probably not less than.
Probably, yeah. Marty McFly. Oh crap, Tommy, the police are here. You better start running.
I blame you this time. I took the blame last time.
It's getting pretty rainy, boys. The show's starting to thin out. Yeah, sorry, I had to think of the right word there. Lots of people are leaving. We're gonna try and get Burnouts. It was a good show, though. I should probably go talk to Jim and Leanne, too. I don't know if Jim wants to stay out in this weather. Hey, I'm trying to talk here. Heck yeah! Come on. There you go. Yeah!
How you gonna match that?
Hey. Hey, not bad. Here comes a Cobra. Come on. We're up on a curb, we'll be fine. Come on. That's so sick.
Don't burn out! Don't blow the motor!
Oh! Yeah!
Alright, will your buddy do it?
Come on. You got a V8, use it.
Give it to her!
Let's go! Dude!
You can't see if anybody else does.
Oh my gosh. It looks so much better with the doors down. I'm sorry. I just realized it did not film nearly enough with this car. It's never looked better. Oh, I gotta congratulate Jim. I follow this guy on Instagram and he's cool. Everybody go follow GCL1 right now. Come on. As long, if you have Instagram, then go follow him. He's cool. Here comes a Holden. Come on. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, it died.
That's why I came in so quiet.
I was about to say, is this thing a hybrid?
It's a hybrid.
There we go.
What?
No business being that loud. Jeez.
I got it.
Ford GT. Let's go. I don't care if this guy does anything cool. Oh, Justin's coming, yeah. He'll punch it. Justin, come on. Come this way, dude. Come on, Justin. Come on, I believe in you, dude. Yeah. Yes. Oh! Yeah. Oh, no way.
Get my eardrums. I just gotta put it right here.
Not bad.
Alright, let's see something break. Blow it up!
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, go.
I heard something break.
Hey, do I get ice?
Spin.
Spin them. Come on, boy. that thing an EcoBoost?
And then I go back to doing wheels.
Did you see that? Oh gosh. Juice, come on, dude.
Oh, he knows.
Alright, that's going to be it for this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Before it ends, massive thank you to Jim and Leanne for taking me to the car show. I had an absolute blast, and it's always good hanging out with you guys. Big thanks to Tommy, the idiot who was with me the whole day. You guys saw, he was filming some of the stuff too. He got some shots that I didn't get, and then he sent them to me. Massive thank you for that, Tommy. And it was good hanging out with you too. So that's going to be it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. And if you enjoy my videos, if you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing because it helps me out quite a lot, and I'd really appreciate it. That's going to be it for this video. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day, everyone, and bye-bye.
Oh man, there's sand on my shirt.
Big thanks to Tommy for getting me some of the videos. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like this take, so I'm gonna ask Colby to stop recording.
All right.